Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to add new apps to Opera GX sidebar. So we're here in Opera, then we need to right click on the sidebar and go to Sidebar Setup. And now in a moment there will be a list of what can be added to the sidebar. You can also go to settings. So we have AI services, messengers, special features, and etc. So these are the messengers we can add to the sidebar, but the rest is visible in the settings. So in the settings you go scroll down a little bit and click on Manage Sidebar, and here we have all of the apps that are available by default in Opera GX. So there's a lot of stuff like ChatGPT and Telegram. So these messengers are here as well, and you can just customize the sidebar whichever you want. So that's it. Make sure to like and subscribe. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Bye.